Guys, welcome back to my channel Making Art. Today I'll be teaching us a simple home remedy which you can use to shrink fibroid. I call it fibroid shrinker. With this home remedy, it will help you to get rid of fibroid. Like for those ladies that fibroid have been disturbing that they can't conceive, you just need to try this home remedy. It's a perfect 100% sure. Yes, you just have to follow the procedure from the beginning to the end. That is why you have to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you know how it's been done at home. Even though you're pregnant, but maybe you're pregnant and still have fibroid, you can take it because it will help to shrink the fibroid while allowing the baby to set in the womb and balance well. You understand? So you just have to do it. You know our natural herbs works faster. Yeah, it's a natural gift God gave us to cure any kind of sickness. So you don't just have to look down on it. We Africans are blessed with good natural herbs. So with these natural herbs, it shrinks fibroid. And not only shrinking fibroid, it boosts ovulation. Like for those that find it difficult getting good ovulation, releasing good eggs, it will help you release good egg. And again, for those of us that, let's say, have problem of infections, really, it works. It works. It flushes every infection out of the system and makes you clean to be able to conceive fast. So, ladies, give this a try and you thank me later. This is what I call it. Test and testify. Alright. For those of you that have not subscribed, please do that. Subscribe. Okay, click the right button and you can comment. Any comment is accepted. I'm ready to answer every of your questions. While commenting, you can also give it a thumbs up. Yes, a thumbs up. Alright, let's go to where I'll show you how to do it. Millikin really cares. So guys, this is the fibroid shrinker. You can see it, I'm holding it. It's called Osakirisa. Like in Igbo language, it is called Osakirisa. Just type Osakirisa in Google and you will see the picture, you will see what it does. Then, like in Nigeria here, Igbo will call it Osakirisa. Then the Yoruba call it Eidan. Eidan. Then the Hausa people call it Dawo. And the Calabar people call it Uyayak. So it depends the language you fall into. But if you're not in Nigeria, just type Osakrisa. You can still see it on the screen. Osakrisa. You will see the picture and everything. And also, the botanical name is showing on the screen. It's long and I can't really pronounce it. Yeah, they say like Tetra Lira, Tetra Petra. So you can see it on the screen. That's the botanical name. And you know what it does? This helps to shrink fibroid. Like I told you before, I call it fibroid shrinker. And it makes the fibroid to get smaller so that you can get rid of it immediately. You understand? That's why it shrinks it and make it smaller. Then it can flush out of your body immediately. Then this also helps to boost ovulation. Like for those of us that don't have quality eggs, this will help to boost your ovulation and it will make you to conceive fast. Yes, it helps to conceive fast. Then for the pregnant woman, you can also be taking it. It's not harmful to the baby. Then for those ladies that are pregnant and as well have fibroid, it will not affect your baby at all. It will even help. Then after which you wash it. Add salt. Yes, add a little salt to wash off germs. So for the husband, you can give it to your spouse. Yes, like I said before, this thing, it cures infertility. It cures infertility. And most times, this infertility issue is not only with the women. Yes, these days it's mostly with the men. The men have this infertility issue. But you know, Africa, they always believe it's the woman. Whenever they see the couples, they don't have children or they have not conceived, they think it's the woman. But in this case, the husband too can take it if you find it difficult to conceive. Because sometimes the men too have this infertility issues in them. So both couples can be taking it. And another thing it does that it can also help to regular. Okay. So you see, it also cures ulcer. For people battling with ulcer, I would say this really works. So you need to be taking this. It cures ulcer. Yes, you can see now how it looks after boiling for 45 minutes. So this is it. Just put it in a plate, and like I said before, it cures all manner of kind of infections. Yeah, it cures infections, ulcer, infertility problem. The couples need to be taking it. Yes, and it boosts ovulation. Yes, it boosts ovulation to make it conceive fast, and it shrinks fibroid. Yes, it shrinks fibroid. Okay, so what you do, you pour into a glass cup. Yes, pour it into a glass. So just use look for a ceramic plate to fetch it and pour into a glass cup. A cup is okay. So what you're going to do is you have to take it on an empty stomach. On an empty stomach. Yes, first thing in the morning before you take your meal. That is 30 minutes before taking your breakfast. Okay, then in the night you take it last thing before going to bed. You understand? You take it last thing before going to bed so that it work faster, and you have to regain your body, your womanhood, and be in perfect shape again. The circumcision really works. All right. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Thank you. Do give this a thumbs up, comment. I'm all ready to answer every of your questions. Yes, comment and swear, please. If you've not subscribed, do that as well. And I want to say I love you all, my viewers. I love you. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. And do have a beautiful week, a pleasant week, a splendid week, and much billions to your account in Jesus' name. Amen. All right. See you sometime next week. Millie King Art loves you all. Have a lovely day. Bye.